I'm 23 ABC's Joanna Restrepo. Welcome back to The Trend. There are new details in the death of a 9-month-old baby girl from Lake Isabella. The Kern County Coroner's Office ruled the death of Seraphine Old Johnson a homicide from, quote, acute neck compression. According to that report, Seraphine was found not breathing at her home on Crestview Avenue in Lake Isabella last June. Court documents show that her father, 24-year-old Michael Johnson, is now behind bars and is being accused of her murder and assault of a child under 8 years old. In messages with 23 ABC on Sunday, Seraphine's mother said her death was a huge accident and said her husband attempted to give the infant CPR when she stopped breathing. President Donald Trump slammed the FBI late on Saturday for failing to follow up on a tip on Florida school shooter Nikolas Cruz. This comes after students who survived the shooting demanded action from lawmakers and the president himself. The president shifted blame to the FBI and tweeted that the FBI was spending too much time investigating him and not enough on other things. I'm 23 ABC's Joanna Restrepo, and if you like this video, give it a like and a share using the hashtag #TheTrend, and then send me a message letting me know what's trending.